Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to change the color, particularly for the text and also the shape and also the solid object in Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to create the composition first as the blank page, and after that you can start to put the layer over here. For example, the first one will be the text, and for example I will type the text will be I can do it, and how to change the color of this text. So you make sure that you can, or you need to drag or select all this text first, and after that you can go to this fill color, and for example I'm gonna change it to be this blue and click OK, and after that this text has color of the same, or has changed the color in this screen. And the next thing will be the shape. So you can start to add the layer over here, click new and click this shape layer, and it will be added into this layer in a timeline. And if you see this, don't worry, you can just inactivate the caps lock. There you go. And for example, if you would like to add the object or something over here, so you can start to click add, and for example I will choose the rectangle and drag this like this. And how to change the color, so you can go to this fill up here, and after that you can choose the color, let's say to become this one, blue, and click OK. So this is the rectangle shape that has changed the color. And the next thing will be the solid object. So if you would like to create it, then you can start to create the new and click this solid. And for example, you can choose this one and click OK. And don't worry, because you can also move this object like this and enlarge it. And if you would like to change this object color, so you can go to this effect, to this layer, and after that you can go to this solid setting, but also make sure that this solid rectangle still being selected. Click this, and after that you can change the color over here, let's say to become yellow, and click OK, and click OK again. So this will be the three object or three things that you can change the color, which is the font and also the shape and also the solid object. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.